Welcome. Today we're diving into a simple yet exciting feature on Instagram: how to add a received sticker to your favorites in chat. This updated process makes it easier than ever to keep your most used stickers at your fingertips. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. If you haven't already, ensure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main feed, look for the messages icon at the top of the page. It's usually represented by a paper airplane or speech bubble icon. Next, tap on that icon to access your direct messages. Here, you'll see all your conversations. Scroll through and open the chat that contains the sticker you want to save. This could be a sticker sent by a friend or one you've received in a group chat. Now comes the fun part. Once you're in the chat, locate the sticker you want to add to your favorites. Click and hold on the received sticker until a menu pops up. This is where you can choose what action you'd like to take with that sticker. From the options presented, select Favorite. By doing this, you're marking this sticker as one of your go-to options for future chats. It will now be saved for quick access whenever you want to use it again. And there you have it. You've successfully added a received sticker to your favorites on Instagram chat. This feature not only saves time, but also enhances your chatting experience by allowing for more expressive and personalized conversations. Remember, Instagram frequently updates its features, so keep an eye out for more ways to enhance your messaging experience. Enjoy using your favorite stickers and make your chats even more lively. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Instagram effectively. Happy chatting!